Do you guys ever have like one eye that cooperates and one eye that doesn't? If you can't tell, this is the eye that cooperates and this is the eye that doesn't.
You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Hello lovies and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Shanice, and I am here with another video. Today we are just going to be answering some questions. I found some questions online and I had to do my makeup anyway because I'm recording another video. So I wanted to just do something that I could incorporate doing my makeup, recording, and getting to know my lovey subbies, or having my lovey subbies get to know me. So that is what we are doing today, just kind of a get to know me, get ready with me, do my makeup type of thing. I would call it get ready with me, but I'm really not going nowhere. So you guys, I'm just gonna be doing this look here and talking to you guys as I'm getting ready. Also, disclaimer, throughout the footage, I noticed that my bra straps be showing and I'm doing this. So just please excuse the fact that my bra strap might pop out. Don't judge me, it's not on purpose. Yeah. So before we get into the video, of course, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to comment. Today's emoji will be right here. And also don't forget to ring the bell. Ring the bell. And you guys, please don't forget to share this video. Share me with your friends. I want to be friends with your friends, girl. Okay, invite people into my space. I'm cool. Like, I'm really cool. Like, for real. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So if you are wanting to hear my questions, see how I achieved this look, just playing in some makeup today, go ahead and stay tuned. All right. Okay, lovies. Hey, it's me, Shanice, and we are just going to be playing in some makeup today. So I figured that I would record as I'm doing my makeup, and I would do a get to know you kind of feel, kind of vibe. So I have some questions over here on my monitor and I'll go through the questions and then I'll be doing my makeup as well. Okay guys, so the first question is, what is my full name? My name is Shanice Marie, and that does not include my last name, but my full legal first name, first and second name is Shanice Marie. So, hey you all, how you doing?
How you doing?
The second question is, what is my zodiac sign? I'm really not into zodiac like that, but I am a Scorpio, or so I've been told. Okay, the next question is, what are 3 fears? This is an interesting question because while, you know, realistically, I guess you can say, or logically, of course, I have fears, I don't like to like project the fact like, oh, these are my fears, because I also am a Christian and I'm a woman of faith. So I believe that God didn't give us a spirit of fear. So you'll never just like hear me be like, oh my God, that's one of my biggest fears. Probably won't. But since you asked, I would say 1 would be not achieving all that God has for me because of like decisions that I make. A second fear would definitely be figuring out what the world is like without my family members, like certain ones, and I just don't want to put that out there. Like when I lost my grandmother, who passed after my grandfather, and now I'm like figuring out the world in my head like without grandparents. Weird. So that is definitely something that I would say is a fear. And then on a lighter note, I would say a fear is definitely bugs. Baby, I do not like bugs. I'm not a bug fan. I can't do it.
What really happened on that Thursday here at Augusta High School that led to Chris Wood's death?
So the next question is 3 things that I love. 1 would definitely be Jesus, of course, the Lord. 2 would definitely be my family and loved ones. 3 would be my life. I'm very thankful for my life. I love living every day and I hope to live it to the fullest. My best first date. I'll just go ahead and say my best first date was probably my date with cameraman. So when cameraman and I first started talking, he would have to travel from Georgia to Alabama to see me. Our first date, like he basically was like, oh, I'll come see you. And I was like, oh, okay. I was like, okay, well, if you come, I can think of what we can do, because of course he doesn't live here. So when we met, we went to have dinner at this place called Sky Castle, and then we went to Paper Doll, which is a bar, afterwards, and we met up with one of my sorority sisters and we just had a blast. So That one I would say would be my favorite first date because he drove 2.5 hours just to have this date with me, and we've been kicking it ever since. Next question, how tall am I? I am 5'6", and a lot of people think that I'm shorter than that online, but I am a whopping 5'6". What is my favorite color? My favorite color is green. I love green. I love all different shades of green. Emerald though, emerald is my favorite shade of green, like a true emerald green. The next question is, do I have a crush? I do. The next question is my favorite place. If we're talking about a city, and if you know me, you know what I'm about to say. My favorite place is definitely Atlanta. Forever, I love Atlanta. I love it. I love the way it feels. It just feels like magic, and I love it. So I would definitely say Atlanta, Georgia is my favorite place. The next question is my favorite food. This is hard because I like to eat, clearly, but I would definitely say I love some good collard greens, some good cornbread, particularly my mom's, my grandma's, Sister Smith from the church. Okay, I can call out specific greens. I love collard greens. I can eat it every day. I take the cornbread and just sop up that juice, sop up the juice, and eat. Don't miss out on your blessing. Get you some greens with some cornbread, okay, honey? What is my favorite style of clothing? I would say anything classy, yet bougie, yet chic, for sure. What color underwear am I wearing right now? None of your business.
I said what I said.
What is my favorite movie? My favorite movie is Dreamgirls. I love Dreamgirls. I'll sing all the songs, all of the lines, okay? Dreamgirls for sure. The next question is someone I love. Someone I love definitely would be cameraman. Definitely would be my parents, my family, all of my friends, actually. Anyone that I actually call friend or sister. I love everybody. The next question is my current relationship status, and I am currently taken. You know, I got a little boo thing, I got a little lovey-dove, I got a little man, or whatever you want to call it. Hey boo, I love you. The next question is my favorite holiday. All holidays, I'm a holiday person. I like to celebrate everything, so I would say all holidays are my favorite, but my absolute favoriteest, most favoriteest is Christmas time. I love Christmas. I love everything about Christmas. So yeah, Christmas last year was really hard for me. My grandmother actually ended up passing away the day after Christmas. I still was able to enjoy it because I was with my whole entire family, and then being with my grandma in like those very last moments was like, of course, tough, but it was a gift to be there as she transitioned. So that was my ultimate Christmas gift this year. Being with my grandma, holding her hand as she transitioned, knowing that she was surrounded by her entire family. Yeah, but I love Christmas. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. The reason why I joined YouTube. The reason why I joined YouTube is because I love makeup. I discovered YouTube, I think I was like in 10th grade, maybe younger. Anyway, I was in high school and I used to sneak and get my mom's laptop because she would keep it in her room, or I would sneak and go downstairs where our computer room was, and I would just stay up and watch YouTube videos all night. And that is honestly when I started watching Lil Pumpkin Pie 05, who you guys know today as Jackie Ina. Tierra Monet was on at that time.
Hello, 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 hello. It's TT, and we on YouTube.
And I used to sneak and watch them at night. And then I've always had like this love and passion for makeup, and I just one day was like, well, I want to get on YouTube. So I started on YouTube back then, and it was actually going pretty well. When I moved away for college, I just decided no longer to do it because at that time it wasn't so widely accepted. Like, it was still weird. Like, it was still weird to be on YouTube. It wasn't like, oh, I have a YouTube channel. It was kind of like you didn't really tell people in real life. People would just find you online type of thing. I don't know, and I think with just me wanting to get the full HBCU experience, I didn't really talk much about YouTube, but people always knew that I wanted to be on it, or they would ask me if I had a YouTube channel for years and years and years, and for years and years and years, I would be like, I'm gonna get back on YouTube. I'm gonna get back on YouTube. When I met Cameraman, we had kind of talked about some things, some goals that we had wanted to achieve personally, and I told him I wanted to get back on YouTube. I told him I loved YouTube. I've kind of, you know, built an organic following on Instagram, and I would like to build an organic following on YouTube, and I want to get on, and I want to do it. I want to do YouTube. And then for Christmas, cameraman bought me my lights, and he bought me this chair, he bought me my monitor, he bought me all of this stuff, and he was like, you need to get back on YouTube. And I just did it one day. I just woke up one day and I said, I'm gonna record the Valentine's Day tutorial. So the reason why I joined YouTube is because it is a creative space for me. It allows me to do so many different things. It allows me to feel like I have a purpose, and it's fun, and I can think clearer at work knowing that I have something to go home to that I'm super looking forward to. The reason why I joined YouTube is all of those things, girl. How long does it take me to get ready in the morning? First of all, mind your business.
Mind your business, that's all. Mind your business.
Just kidding. I would say it takes me about an hour and 15 minutes to get ready. That's for me to take a shower, get dressed, put lotion on, do my makeup, do my hair. I usually carve out about an hour and 15 minutes for me to do all of that. Have I shaved my legs in the past 3 days? Y'all don't want to know the answer to that. Over a year, maybe 2 years. You can judge your mama. The next question is, if I am drunk and can't stand, who's taking care of me? First of all, I have not been that intoxicated in a very long time. Probably since my 24th birthday. So let's just throw that out there. Probably my best friend Bree, my cousin Donald, or cameraman. More than likely. I don't enjoy drinking to that point, so I'm pretty sure it won't happen probably ever again. Speaking of Bree, she has a YouTube channel. It's called All Things Glam. You can follow her. So yeah. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for being here. Of course, I love all of my lovey subbies. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.